I'm Diana Wozniak-Flack. I am the Service Director for Delivery at Mainline Information Services. We provide hardware reselling and also services. One of the largest challenges I faced when I joined Mainline was there was a lack of documentation. They were using a very old type of ticketing system. The collection of data was very high level. So when I did my research on multiple ticketing systems, I felt that Freshworks and Freshdesk was our solution to our needs. I love everything about this tool. It's very simple, but it's very powerful. Right now, we're kind of growing with the use of Freshdesk. We've seen a large impact. We're now documenting all of we call them agents, but they are technical people that actually are performing the work. We use the system in a very unique way. And we are now collecting data. We're able to price our solutions more efficiently by knowing exactly what's coming in. Also, our resources, like I said, they're actual technical people, so a lot of them are senior. They've been with the company a long time, so it gives us the ability to scale. We use Freshdesk in a very unique way. Most organizations have a help desk. We do not. So how we configured the system is we give our customers 3 options. They could come through our portal, they could give us a phone call, or they can send an email. And the tickets are automatically dispatched depending upon type and brand. So I have pools of people where you have a help desk representative. I have the ticket going directly to the resource that's going to resolve the issue. And if not, that person takes ownership of the ticket and then pulls in the collective team that can assist in resolution.